Good afternoon, I'm meteorologist Matt Jones. We've seen an increase in the cloud cover so far today. Temperatures, though, despite those clouds, are warming up very quickly. We're still going to be in the middle and even upper 80s this afternoon. But let's talk more about our upcoming storm chances because it could get more active as early as tonight. We're already seeing some storms developing up across Oklahoma right now. Those will stay out of our region, though, so at least through 5 p.m. it is going to be a quiet afternoon, but we will see a mostly cloudy sky. Then watch what happens very late tonight. Around midnight, we could see a cluster of storms forming there right along the Red River. Those will likely push into our northwestern counties as we get into, say, midnight or so. And that could turn into a complex of storms as it marches its way east. This will generally be along and north of I-20. This will be during the wee hours of Friday morning. Several forecast models now are showing this, and this could indicate that we could see some strong storms overnight, maybe even some hail and wind potential if this does pan out. So we're going to watch things pretty carefully during the overnight hours, but whatever does form tonight should move out pretty early in the day. So by the time you wake up on Friday, that should be long gone. And then that sunshine is going to return for Friday afternoon. It's going to be a hot and muggy day as a warm front pushes in and those temperatures will start to soar. Here's a look at your hour-by-hour forecast, though, for this afternoon. Mostly cloudy, but despite that cloud cover, notice those winds out of the south. That's going to bring in some pretty warm air. So even with the clouds, we're looking at highs well into the 80s. 86 in Shreveport this afternoon, 87 Texarkana, Marshall and Center, Texas in the mid-80s today, Mount Pleasant 83, Minden 85 degrees, and Natchitoches getting up to about 87. And then when you factor in that humidity, it's going to feel even warmer, especially as we get into the day tomorrow. So that heat index for Friday afternoon in the mid-90s across our area. Same deal for Saturday. You can see that spike in temperatures there during the mid-afternoon. That heat index number near 95 degrees on Saturday. And same story on Sunday. Maybe a degree or two cooler Sunday just because we could see some more storm chances. But all in all, it's going to be a hot and humid forecast. And of course, with the heat and the humidity comes the storm chances. So we'll have almost a daily chance of rain Friday, lasting through the middle part of next week. Here's a look at your first alert 7-day forecast. 90 degrees for tomorrow with scattered storms. We stay in the low 90s over the weekend, and even those overnight lows looking pretty uncomfortable, only dropping into the low 70s. And we'll see that daily storm chance all the way through Tuesday and Wednesday. Temperatures drop off slightly by the middle of next week, but still above average in the upper 80s.